Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Vegetarian Cooking with JJ. I lost my voice due to laryngitis. And I have strep throat. Today, I'm making a delicious Mapo Tofu dish. I'm really excited to get started. Let's head over to the kitchen and get cooking! Yeah! First off, we're going to be cutting 1.5 blocks of soft tofu into cubes. Here is our cube tofu, and we're going to be using 1/4 package of our Veggie Ground Round. We're cutting our dinosaur kale into thin slices, and we're going to be using 1/4 cups worth. Dice your green bell pepper into small pieces, and we're going to be using 1/4 cups worth. Slice your green onions for the finishing touch. We're mincing up some ginger, and we're going to be using 2 teaspoons worth. And we're mincing up some garlic, and we'll be using 2 teaspoons worth as well. Here's our mise en place with all our ingredients. We have our mortar and pestle, and we're going to be grinding our Szechuan peppercorns. We're going to be using 1/2 teaspoon. Did you know that Szechuan peppercorns are not a peppercorn nor a chili? They come from the Sichuan region of China. They actually come from the prickly ash tree, and they're the berry of such tree. And before processing, it's important that they take out the seeds and stems. Wink, wink. And this is what we're going for. We're using 3 Thai Green Chillies, and we're going to slice them up. Feel free to adjust to your spice level. We're getting our stovetop set to medium. Add some high smoke point oil to your pan, such as grapeseed oil. Once it's hot, we're adding our ginger and garlic to the pan and getting it fragrant. Now that it's fragrant, we're adding our Veggie Ground Round. Add 1 tablespoon and 2 teaspoons of dougoujang paste. And now for our soy sauce, 1 tablespoon's worth. Now add in our chopped chilies. Mix it all up. Now we're adding our 1/2 teaspoon of ground Szechuan peppercorns. Again, not peppercorns. Now we're going to be adding our dinosaur kale and our green bell peppers. Mix it up evenly. It's looking good. So you'll notice we have a 1 cup worth of veggie stock, but we're only going to use 1/2 cup now and keep the rest just in case we need it. We're going to mix in our 1 teaspoon of raw sugar in with our veggie stock. Add the veggie stock to the pan and mix it up. Now it's time to pour in our tofu cubes. You're going to want to use a silicone spatula and stir gently. If you don't have a silicone spatula, just be cautious not to break up the tofu cubes. Gently incorporate it. I've mixed a 1-to-1 ratio of cornstarch and water. We're pouring it in to thicken our sauce. You'll only need a little bit. At the end, add to your dish 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame seed oil, or an amount to your liking. Although this dish is spicy, Szechuan spice is actually not spicy, but rather provides a tingling and slight numbing sensation in the mouth. Now it's time to serve the Mapo Tofu. And we're garnishing it off with our sliced green onions. It's time to try our dish. I'm excited. Yay! Spicy and delicious. I'm enjoying it. Awesome! Wow. Did you like this video? Remember, click that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, type a comment down below. There's gonna be a new video every Monday. So watch it. Thank you for watching. See you later.